All right, what I got going on today is I have a Earmor M32 MOD3 headset, and I'm gonna change out to the newer style MOD4 microphone. And the reason you might want to do this is because if you watched my review on the MOD3, I found a weak point in it for the changeable microphone where this breaks pretty easy, and quite a few other people, I guess, had this issue. So my friends at Gear Supply took care under their warranty of getting me the replacement microphone, but alls that Earmor had available were these, and this is what was sent to me. So it doesn't look like it's going to be terribly hard to change out. I'm going to kind of figure it out as I'm recording here. I'm going to put it in fast forward, and then I'll give you my notes on exactly what I did once it's done. If you can see, if you're going to do this yourself, that's the way it should be on there. Simply just pulling the headband metal piece out of the old one. It is a little stiff, but you just pull on it and it'll just pop right out. And then pulling on this plastic tab piece right here, just at a little bit of an angle, and it will pop off. And then this, just like the other interchangeable ones, it's a little headphone piece, both on the old microphone style and the new one, same thing. And depending on how stiff or easily you want this to adjust, it looks like you could tighten up the little Phillips screws. And then there's also this little adjustment right here to go in and out for the mic itself. Gives you, I don't know, maybe 3/4 of an inch adjustment. It's not as flexible. I would have liked to see this little piece be flexible, like whatever you call this material. Not sure why they didn't do that. So it's not as compact, but I mean, you could almost very easily switch it out back to this if you wanted to. This seems like it's not gonna break nearly as easy, and you can swap it out pretty easy from side to side. I guess now I need to see if this is a dynamic or capacitance microphone. So, all right, I apologize for my unsophisticated recording here, but part number S10 is the standard microphone, electric mic, and then they do have a dynamic microphone that's S10D. Should have did my due diligence and figured that out before recording, but I wanted to splice this in and let you know now, and there'll be links to both the microphones below to Gear Supply if you're interested in either one in your upgrade. Kilo, this is Charlie, radio check, over. Roger, you said I'm coming in extremely quiet. All right, so hooking it up, and with the Baofeng and an amplified PTT, I'm coming through extremely quiet. So now let's try it with a different radio where it does not have an amplified PTT. And this particular radio, I can pick whatever type of microphone I want. So I'll put it on capacitance and try it again. Kilo, this is Charlie. One more radio check, over. Roger, so you can hear me loud and clear when it's on a non-amplified and capacitance setting. So it must be a capacitance microphone. Out. Anyway, that's how you replace the microphone and upgrade it. And everything Doesn't quite button up as tight as it did with the other one. I kind of wish it did, but again, this is a budget microphone, you know, headset. I guess when you do it like that, it does. So considering the cost compared to some of the other real expensive stuff, can't complain. We'll see how this one holds up. I don't foresee this one breaking nearly like this one did with this weak piece of plastic. So again, thanks ComGear Supply for following through. They actually sent me this piece quite a while ago, and I've just had a bazillion things going on. If you decide to go to ComGear Supply and get some stuff, call me Colt 10, gets you 10% off. Pretty cool, and it also helps me out with getting some things for the channel to test out and things like that. And they also have great customer service and stuff like that. So even if you don't want to use my code, I still support you going there and getting their stuff. Anyways, hopefully you found this helpful. I got a lot of feedback on my initial review. Seems like the MOD4, not just with the microphone, but it seems like Earmor is learning from their mistakes. It seems like they're going to be still a great option for budget-minded people that don't have a ton of money to spend but still want to have something better than just holding a radio in their hand. So like to see some more stuff coming out from them. Me running my mouth a little bit here at the end probably gave me enough time to add the notes. Also information in the description to anything, links in the description to all this stuff at ComGear Supply if they have it available. And again, call me Colt 10 if you're going to buy from them. Thanks.